Hi, good morning. Hope everyone is fine and beautiful. Okay, so we want to see if we can take some holistic view at market to see if we're gonna, cash and take advantage of this impending move. I see a move to the upside. I'm just gonna briefly zoom out and explain that statement. A move to the upside, perhaps is coming pretty much soon. I'm going to trust upside movement up to the break of 1950. I anticipate some upwards movement up to 1953, 53, 10, 1953, 42. Yeah. So, having said that, I'm going to tell you why. Just going to zoom out a little bit to 4 hours and just give you a clear view of what's happening. So, take note of this setup right here. Yeah. This kind of setup. So this price cannot go beyond this zone without liquidity grab. Price needs to grab some liquidity up to this area. This is actually what people may not be anticipating. People are going to anticipating for price to continue moving down, but I doubt the price, ability to move down at this point in time. So I expect price to first of all push up, and then from here, after liquidity grab, then we can resume this downward trend. Okay, so let's why I believe this this is going to be the case. Just take away this. This is actually part of it, but take that away because it's not depicting what I want to show here. All right. Just heading over to this. I've marked some zones here before starting the stream. Okay. Yes. So whatever is happening here, you can see some similarities between what is happening here, the setup that is happening here, and the setup that's happening here, and that happened already, right? So you can see clearly that after this bullish candle comes a bearish candle, but this next candle attempted to break low but couldn't, and this couldn't. But first of all, it's hard to go and do some liquidity grab around here, yeah, before continuing down to the downside. See that? So this is actually what I anticipate to happen. I expect price to that for no reason jump up, before coming down in this situation. So second scenario is gonna be here. The same thing happened here. See, observe, take note of the way price actually after this bullish move, we have this bearish move with the next candle, having no volume to break low. So first of all, the next 4 hours pushed all the way up to go and do some sort of liquidity grab, whereby hitting people's stop loss just to make sure it has enough liquidity to flow down. So observe how it happened and what happened next. Yeah. So if I happen to be here, my target basically is going to be somewhere around here, and they can see how market reacted after this. So that's why I'm not expecting a lot of things to happen today. I just want this to play out, and that's it. So after the bullish candle comes a bearish candle, and then this candle is not going to break the low of the previous 4 hours, right? It needs to find a way to either uh, behave as if it wants to push above, but comes down to close below. The next candle should grab some liquidity up to this level, then before coming down. That's what I anticipate. So that's this candle is still pretty much a virgin candle, I would say. It has not done anything basically. So I anticipate that move to the upside. This move to the upside, upside, until 1953.42 is what I expect to take advantage of. Yeah. So this is some sort of simple and holistic explanation to what I expect to happen today. Whether it happens or not, I don't really care. If I see it happen, fine. If it doesn't happen, I mean, I don't give a block bananas about it. I'm just gonna go about my normal business, right? Whether it happens or not, I mean, it doesn't take anything away from me, right? If it happens, good for me. If it doesn't happen, good for me as well. So, having said that, let's give us some cool vibes right here. Okay, this is for gold, yeah. So looking at, it's too early to work on dojos right now, but I kind of, I'm gonna look at it anyway. If decide to look at German index, I'm not sure why this computer is actually not responding properly. Sorry, my mic is a little bit away from me, but trust me, it's grabbing every single thing happening in this inside this tiny room. Yeah, German index, my guy. So there is meant to be volume here, but I don't see that volume anyway. See the way this thing deceived me yesterday. I was actually selling here yesterday, hoping that price is going to break this low to just push and create some trouble until here. Then it didn't happen. I lost the trade. It's bullshit. And then let me have another quick look at Euro JPY to see if there's any good setup. Oh, it has some nice setup right there. But I'm not convinced enough to take a trade on this pair. It's really set up. Break is boom. Break is pop. Yeah. But I'm actually not interested. So let's move on to what we're here for. Mostly I want to take gold trade. But guys, this means 1 million things. It means 1 million things. It means that head and shoulder is here. Yeah. After this long, very tall, undistracted move, head and shoulder formed here, and then the move ensued. It kept on happening until I think another head and shoulder is actually forming. You know what I mean? So this zone is going to be a very difficult area for price to penetrate. It's going to be difficult for price to penetrate this zone. Yeah. So basically, what you anticipate is for price to keep on creating some drama here, some range, then moving down. Yeah, this is what I actually indirectly anticipate. But the question is it going to happen the way we are expecting it to happen? That's a very big $1 million question. So no matter what happens, I just know that yesterday I was saying something yesterday. I caught a buy here, and when price moved up, I was expecting price to, continue to my TP. I got a little bit distracted while streaming, and price slipped down. I wanted price to, come back up so at least I can close around this zone, but price didn't come up. It went and hit my SL, which is actually at PE. So basically, I didn't trade at all. I didn't gain, I didn't lose. So that makes sense. Better to for price to hit your BE than for you not to, for you to lose that money, that your risk. So yesterday, when this happened, I price was even here, and I said that you're gonna wake up and see price somewhere around this line. Yeah, price came very close to that line. Yeah, so that is to show you this that should be followed. Once you follow that process, everything's gonna be fine. Trust me. So right now, it's gonna be all about sell for me until this zone. Yeah, this whole zone is for exploitation. Yeah. So that is it basically. All right. It seems we're gonna have two wonderful positions, but I just don't want this to deceive me into doing anything stupid today. If I risk 32 pips for 110, that seems pretty much decent. Yeah, seems a lot, not a bit. It seems a lot very decent. So, are we going for this? Should we? We should, because it's part of the process, right? Look at this. If you remember today when this was forming, the moment price broke this low, I mentioned that price was going to fall. So it happened. It's a process. So because I want to stick to the process, look at this. Those two candles there. I would say three candles and look at this. Yeah. So I just want to see what's how price will react around here. Once this low is broken, I may have one going down with stop loss above. Excuse me. So that's what I'm anticipating to happen. It's going to happen. It's not going to happen. I have no, absolutely have no idea. I have no idea. But hopefully it's going to happen. Most likely it's going to happen. Unless this 4 hours eventually closes above it, just go for buy and above here. Once price hits around this close 50% and ride it until 60 pips. Yeah. Okay. 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 Unfortunately, I didn't enable chats for trading view, so I don't want to get distracted because a lot of questions actually could make one to lose focus. But you can as well, join my Telegram channel if you wish to. Just go to my profile and look it up and see if you can join. Then it's open, so you can ask me your questions at any time. I'm not a professional, but I could attempt, I can attempt a question. Okay, guys. See what I told you guys? It's just gonna bubble out. It's just gonna break out. So I mean, it's not rocket science. Yeah. If you go to fireworks, you see that this area needs to be retested. Price needs to come up here one more time. Yeah. So it's not a rocket science. It's a process. We saw it in two different places in the past. I think in the past 1 month or 2 months, and approximately 5 weeks. So if you can see that in two different places, it means it happens every time. Trust me, it does. So now this is just a free ride to profit. Okay. So if you're with me, simply set. We're gonna like control this trade. Okay. Price may not necessarily cross this zone. Price may just kiss around here, kiss around 1953.19 and start going down again. So what we should do is just have this as your TP just in case there is some sort of volume that pushes price above our expectation. Then you can rip off that. Uh, you can be part of that nice move. Yeah. So the stop loss is going to be 197 point. That is 19 point, basically 20 pips. Stop loss is going to be 20 pips. So I'm going to give the points here. This is the point of stop loss, and then three is going to be here. Take profit is association stars here. So I'm not going to give them anything for take profit. Whatever you want to do for take profits, it's entirely up to you. So let me just attend to a couple of guys on my group already. Okay. Just forget about whatever thing it's happening here. Once price goes, good thing is that price attempted to break above but pulled back in. Yeah. So it's coming to retest this area. The moment it breaks its own high, that's a signal that we should just, take some advantage. Yeah. So let's see. So we have nice, beautiful setups now. For this, honestly, I want to see price, do more here. I would like to see price, do more. By more, I mean some sort of, close. Why is this selecting something else? All right. I hope I'm still audible because I know my mic is super hyperactive. Okay, now we have this. This level is this and then delete it again, so you can see how strong that zone is. You can see how strong this particular zone is. Yeah, I want to see price at least close with. I want to see this one candle close where this candle, and all this one going close. Maybe somewhere here below. Then you can take trade from here. So whatever occasion starts here. This is pretty much doing well. Gold is doing fine. Dow Jones is going to be fine as well. I'm sure. I'm sure Dow Jones is going to be fine. Dow Jones will be fine. You can say that after me. Dow Jones will be fine. Come on, I didn't hear that. Dow Jones will be fine. Dow Jones, my dear, is going to be fine. Trust me. Yes. So permit me to zoom in a little bit because I need to have detailed view of what I'm doing. Yeah. Yeah. So this this would be a very some sort of point of interest. So let's give a sell from here. Let's not be in a hurry, guys. Let's give it a sell. At the moment, I want to see a closure close to this level, yeah? Either on this line or below it, so I can have the confidence to uh sell. So I'm feeling a little bit sleepy, so FYI, feel a little bit sleepy. So if I feel sleepy a lot, like I'm just gonna end the stream and go have some rest and go have some fun. All right. So what's it gonna be? Space is too quiet. I like it. And guess what? My holy shit. This computer yellow play something nice. Okay. Just gonna take the liberty of setting some sort of alarm here so that we don't have to switch between screens. Moment we see the alarm triggered, moment we see the alarm triggered, then we know that it's time to open the chat. Yeah, and it makes sense to also set an alarm above here. Some trigger stuff alert. So look out for guys. All right, this is all set, guys. It's all set. Let's go and make name for ourselves. Yeah? Let's go and be the legends of this game. Okay. So I've placed the buy stop above here. My buy stop is set. Yeah, it's set. So this cannot possibly be an impulse trade because whatever we're looking for, it has happened. We just need to be patient enough to let price come back here and push up. feeling so sleepy. I'm not sure why. Because I should go see the doctor. This cell here, maybe, but you gotta be careful. You need to be careful not to be greedy. So I don't have any open position, not even any positions on those, but I have order pending order on gold. So this is where my main focus is. It's still I should have enabled the charts. Let me see if I can still enable the charts so that people can interact with me and to keep me kind of busy. Yeah. Oh, not possible anymore. Sorry, sorry. Cancel. All right. This is gonna give us 37 pips. 37 pips. While the expected pip range for the Jones is going to be 109. That is, yeah, technically 109 pips. So what do you think? Money, 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 money. Yeah, I should actually be in the gym right now. What the hell am I doing? I should start gym. Start gym, Kingsley. So 15 minutes closed bearish. What's going to be the next thing? I want to see price make some attempt to go low and then continue going up. If it breaks that high and the trade gets triggered, I'm just gonna log out because I don't feel like it's right now. Not because of the trade, because I'm not well rested. I need to rest more. But I felt like this setup cannot just pass me by. You know what I mean? Just it's too delicate to pass me by. It's too special to pass me by. Very special to pass me by. Yeah. It seems I'm gonna off my video for a while and pause my mute my mic for a while for the next few minutes and days. Okay, so I'll be back shortly. Just stay on the line. with whatever um with whatever God is doing. I'm not really interested in whatever he's doing. I'm only interested in the end game or what's going to be the end game. So, if at the end of the day I have this candle break below this and closes somewhere around 1948.09 area, it simply means I should go lower, dive in with the price and go lower with it. Yeah. If it, at the end of the day it breaks above 1950.51, it's not coming back. It must hit at least 1953. So there's no cause for alarm, I would say. Having said that, uh, I'll do something shortly, please. Moment, please. Oh, I see. Price is really going against everything I, forecasted. That's quite funny. Honestly, this is very funny. Let's get into a sell here when price is not when price has not dealt with this. Don't feel safe, selling here. Had even this came down to close somewhere here below, then it will be safe to sell from here. But that closure, I've not seen it. So unfortunately, even if price drives to the moon, unfortunately, I'm not taking it sell. By the way, what am I even saying talking about sell? See this with all this noise here. Who wants to sell with all this noise? Well, price technically is gonna come here and halt. Look at this. Look at what's going on here. Price is gonna cross around this zone very soon. So it's very pretty much full out to sell now. My selling should be price break below here, closes below here, and then pushes down. Then I hope to get this, and subsequently to get this, and subsequently to get this. So finally, I don't see it happening now. Even if this price decides to do anything, I'm going to consider it missed even before before start. Because it's missed. The only thing this is going to cost us now is the fact that our stock was just increased. Our stop loss target is going to increase because of this risk. Keep stop loss where you don't have confidence. Okay. So another one is this. You can see the conditions has changed. So like I said, this let me say no active trade just an insight. Record trade is one. So unfortunately, I don't see that trade happening now. I'm gonna remove this and see what you can do to get trades. Honestly, I need to see a closure between this area, closure between here and here, anywhere, in, excuse me, anywhere among the two that can secure closure, have more than one. Yes, I'm watching for closure where one, two, three could close. So somewhere here, if I can secure closure around here, then we are good to bounce. Else, no way, no way, I'm not interested. All right. The way I see it, can't possibly buy here either. Can't possibly buy here unless you wanna take it away, You can't possibly buy here. 24 piece US 30, trust me, it's nothing. So you want to see price close into this area at least. If it closes into this area, then the break of the closure, the break of the candle that closed above that area, then you can ride it, honestly, trust me. But guys, I don't think price can is allowed to come up here and around. But see this, you don't agree with this. This is not here for playing, man. This is what's it called again? Um, here, happening down and then first one cuts out. This is exhaustion week. Another grab here. Another one happening. Another one. Something is should be when you switch the time frame, you're going to see that definitely this is some sort of happening, right? Whereby this price, this candle price gave you the holders, it was going to go up, yeah, and suddenly it came back inside. So what is happening here is basically retesting this shoulder, or this head and shoulder. Right? After retesting the shoulder, it eventually drop to meet this side to fill these weeks and fill these ones as well. Yeah? So if you understand my drawing, that's the only way to tell me you understand it. Just join and tell me I understand. Then log out, so you can drop out again. Okay. Yeah, it's more like it now. Officially, this setup is invalid now. See what I said? I need to, I need to get some a lot of noise here. A lot of noise. Like this message I'm saying, it's noisy. It's an issue for me. I need to. Anyway, as long as I'm concerned, this message is said, I'm not going to take any sales, unfortunately. The sales, they look very appetizing, by the way. They look pretty much nice and all, but I'm not going to be part of it, honestly. I'm not going to be. I'm not going to take it. It looks pretty much fine and very appetizing. I don't see. Anyway, not make noise first. Let's close. Once closure, then based on the closure, I can decide on what to do. Maybe something nice, pop up somewhere. Oh, I love this. One thing with trading is you need to follow the process here, and then in following the process, you need to filter out what to follow and what not to follow. Okay. For instance, if I I usually I trade kind of like whenever I see this, I trade it. Yeah. And imagine that I've traded this here. Excuse me. Yeah, so sorry guys. I actually was engaged with a very important call. So unfortunately, this was not going to be my trade. Why? Because if I were to hold on to this um belief, or let's say the trust, whenever I say this kind of setup take place, it's going to be like I would have lost a lot of money in a couple of previously, right? So basically, I don't want to it's not meeting criteria for me to take a trade. I want to see a closure below this level. I want to see closure below this level. And finally, that's closure I'm looking for. It came and quickly, went through. It's obviously like a miss, but I'm okay with it. I'm pretty much fine. I don't have any issues with this. So let's assume that we've lost some focus. Let's focus let's move our that's nice. Shifting our focus to US territory, that is Dow Jones. This is what's happening here. Even though I have a set stop by the way, so my set stop most likely has triggered. Let's see, yeah, it has triggered. Oh no 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 no! It's not triggered. I had actually a buy stop a both go, not a side stop. So unfortunately, I have to close this buy stop because it's been invalidated. So let's see if it can close below here. Then we'll go ahead and of course move again to a sell and move this candle down here. Yeah. Yeah, of course move our TP down to this level and hope for price to touch our TP. So I'm more comfortable with these cells than gold cells. Yeah, gold cells probably is pretty much uh you know um huge. That's up to 400 pips. It's fine, it's fine. It's good to restrict. All right, let's see. Let's see. Let's hold on and see how this is going to play out. Honestly, I like this. I like the goal. It's actually very interesting because I just have to follow my just have to follow my stuff, my analysis, my process, the process of myself. One is there, and that needs to just follow it. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Let's see how it works out. Okay. I'm gonna mute myself for a while, please. Yeah, so let's see how this actually works out. Let's see how it works out. I'm expecting if I can secure a good here, then it's going to be a good time for me to, drive down. Of course, I'm going to switch perhaps to maybe 5 minutes or 15 minutes to see, place retrace a little bit, and then join it all the way down, paying some attention to the zone. So perhaps going to take about 75% or 90% of my profit on this, and let the rest run to see where it's going to take me. So that's going to be my plan. I hope it's clear. I mean, I hope it's good enough. It's no like it's plan enough. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see. We got to push this thing. Got to push it. Unfortunately, the price is pulling into the range. Price is pulling back into this range. This is closed. We have this one, two, three, and this one closed. So now what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna see how price reacts to this game. See price reacts. Yeah, I can actually take some. This is the foreign pips. And there's a lot of transactions, so it's worth it. It's gonna be worth it. Let me see. Let me see. Oh, it's looking. See what God did? Guys, God is crazy. It's cuckoo. God is crazy. I don't like about Dow Jones right now is it broke both previous falls high and low at the same time. So what is this telling us? They that freak away from the guy. Now you gotta wait for NYC open. Honestly, you gotta wait for NYC to have something here. Unfortunately, and actually the right now. Because price is not giving me the opportunity. So this would have been opportunity enough if I take a trade like this, then I'm gonna lose the hell out, right? It makes sense to stay away for some time. So now that I have this candle has first has actually formed this kind of notched all the way in. So I think it's pretty much very I say reasonable to take a trade. Not now. It's gonna be a sell stop here. Price here. Then we have a good opportunity. You just have to be very careful around here. These guys right here, I'm scared of them, but not scared. We price goes, right? So I'm just going to take trade below here, only below here. Okay, I choose to extend my TP down here, not without cashing out 50%. I mean 70%, if not 90% around here. Oh, this is my TP. Put something also here. This case is going to be my TP1, and the rest of the 5% of the position just going to allow it to TP to price it comes down. But look at that price side, guys. The price side is if price actually comes up all the way here to close above, if it closes above here, this is just enough for one day. If you are good enough, if there's no volume, price is going to hit up to 52 pips. So it's entirely up to where price wants to move. So let's go to the see how it happens. Again, I'm not in any position. I'm just hoping that something is going to, pop out. All right. Finally, the moment this high is broken, I call off. So if this high is broken, I'm going to settle. I'm going to do away with it. And how is my good behaving? The high is open. So, finally, anytime this happens, why does it always happen, guys? So, hey, bro, still buys. Sorry, US there is sorry. Gold has closed over here. Okay. Oh, nice. It's beautiful move. I think honestly. It tends to lose this kind of moves, very holistic moves. Okay. Super holistic move. Okay. if you talk about impulse trade, I couldn't have gone in here. Yeah, if I had gone in, yeah, it would have been made a lot of sense. But because this week is here, I'm not gonna take make a lot of profits just like anticipated. And this is Dow Jones that moves mostly in the evening, right? So I don't have a lot of things to do right now. Honestly, just drives me crazy. Guys, I'm just gonna end the streaming now. I got something came up. Besides, I missed a couple of trades already, so let me just end the stream. I'm gonna come back again in the evening around at New York stock market open. Okay, New York Stock Exchange open. Okay, at that time you can get better trades. Okay, I'm not confident in today's trade. Why? Because I'm not seeing what I'm looking for. I'm looking for trades in 10 minutes. I'm not seeing them. Price is just going past my targets and all. So I don't have that confidence to take any position. But do not forget, this setup is still a valid setup. If we can get a closure around this area, then the break of that closure is going to give us a massive profit from this 1950 up to 1950, 1953. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks for joining us. Well, do have a lovely day. Bye, everyone.